This story was written by Sarah, Ellen, Jaden, and Oliver, and it's called A Day in the Life of a Banana in the Blender. Once upon a time, Cool Bananas was getting smushed in the blender. He wanted to split because part of him was moldy and he didn't want to be made fun of by the other banana companions. But he needed a person to press the vaporize button on the blender to make him split. Chop would have been better, but he wasn't the brightest banana. Then he screamed at the human being, "Vaporize me! No!" Teddy the human ran to the blender and pushed the vaporize button. And ever since that day, Cool Bananas got vaporized into two. And now he had a moldy brother. The